We're with the V again today. If you saw last video, we were finally able to do our first full pull. Ran third gear all the way out in this thing. My tuner let me know that my IATs were extremely high. And we started troubleshooting our supercharger cooling system and found out that we have a bad pump. Now this prompted me to do a couple things. Well, for one, I ordered another pump. Two of them actually. I ordered an OEM one because I knew I could get it here faster because it's Tuesday right now. I have a test and tune at Renegade the 29th, Wednesday. So this car needs to be good tonight so I can take it down there tomorrow. So I got the OEM one routed here ASAP. You know, I'm gonna slap that in and hope that it works just for what we need it for now. And then I have an upgraded pump, the Peteberg, whatever that one's called, I guess. It's like a CD or CW100. I don't know, it's a lot better, a lot bigger, and it pushes a lot more coolant a lot faster. So I have that one in the mail as well, but it's just not gonna be here till later. So hopefully we can make the test and tune with the OEM one tomorrow. When that's all done, hopefully I'm able to swap the bigger one out for the drag and drive if I get it in time. But I guess for now, we're just gonna throw this OEM one in, start it up, test it out, make sure it's actually moving coolant, and then take it on a rip, get another data log, make sure everything's good, and then call it a day. So let's do it. I'm gonna try to save my coolant and utilize these hose clamps. We'll see how successful I am.
Oh, hey, look at that. No way. I've been looking for that. You guys are going to judge me like crazy for this one. Ta-da. I broke that thing off. There. That wasn't so bad.
Well, that is unfortunate. It's still not moving coolant. I'm gonna go ahead and check fuses one more time. Because maybe I looked at the wrong one before. Yeah, I'll pop open the fuse box and see, double check and make sure that they're all good. This fuse might actually be cooked. I must have looked at the wrong fuse before. This fuse is cooked. Let's check it out. Again, I don't know if you can see that, but that fuse is cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and use this for something good for once. I'm gonna cannibalize a fuse off of this. Slap this hoe in there. And let's try it again. Oh yeah, baby, we flowing now. Look at her go. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, all it needed was a little bit of Subi in it. Normally you'd think that would kill something. Yeah, let's get this thing back on the ground. I'll throw the front bumper back on. or I could take my foam off. I'll just put the front bumper back on. And let's go do another data log. See if everything's working as it should. I got it put back together. Everything looks good. Should be ready to go do a rip here. Dan, my tuner, told me that this last tune I uploaded included the transmission tune that allows it to shift in manual mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and test that out too. I'm gonna run third gear all the way out and see if it shifts on its own to fourth. Holy shit. Woo! That thing cooks up top. Well, that pull went really well. Even on the way back, I played with it in regular automatic mode and stepped on it and got into it pretty hard in the lower gears and actually ran through some stuff. Felt great. I'm discovering something as I came back home here though. I hear the pump at all times with the key on now, so I definitely didn't hear that before, so it makes me think that this thing's pump hasn't worked in a while. We're just now discovering that. Oh well, it's done now. But we're in the process right now of getting the new tune loaded in. Oh yeah, I suppose I should get into that. We're about to go out and do another log and another pull with a new revised tune. I got back, said the tune was great, car felt fast and awesome, and he said everything looked great, time for full power. And I'm like, that wasn't full power? So he just put even more into it, and now I think it's everything. So I'm writing the new tune on now. Yeah, let's get this thing back out there and see how it does. Oh my god. That was crazy. Oh my god. All right, that was pretty awesome. It felt crazy. It felt crazy. I mean, I don't have anything else to say other than this thing's nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this thing is officially ready for the strip tomorrow. I'm super excited to see what it does. Even that little second gear launch I did, I mean, I was still rolling into it pretty easy and it snapped so hard. I'm honestly kind of worried about my rear suspension and my axles. Something's gotta go, right? Yeah, that was crazy. I really need to start sneaking this into the middle of the video, but if you guys are not subscribed, please do so. We're way over halfway now as far as monetization for the channel. And that just means bigger and better things. It's more of a bargaining chip for me to have the monetization to give you guys more content when I deal with talking to B, you know, because she's trying to can everything. I want all these projects and she's like, no more. So speak of the devil, look who just pulled in. Hi B. Yeah, please subscribe if you're not already. And I hope you guys are ready for the next video, which will be the drag strip. I hope you guys smiled.